Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'll show you how to check if your PC supports TPM and if it's enabled. This is especially useful if you want to install or upgrade to Windows 11 since TPM 2.0 is one of the key requirements. Let's jump right in. So first things first, TPM stands for Trusted Platform Module. It's a security chip built into most modern PCs, and it helps with encryption, Windows Hello, BitLocker, and more. Windows 11 requires TPM 2.0, so it's important to know if your system has it and whether it's turned on. To get started, right-click on the Start button and open PowerShell. Type in this command and press Enter. If you see TPM present, true, it means your PC supports TPM. If you also see TPM enabled, true, then it's turned on and ready to use. If it says false, then TPM is either disabled in BIOS or not available. I know TPM is available, but disabled on my PC. Let me enable it in UEFI. I have now enabled it. Let us see if it will show it is enabled. As you can see, it now says true, so it is present and enabled. Another quick way to check for TPM on a Windows PC is by pressing Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, then typing tpm.msc. This will open the TPM management window. If TPM is available and enabled, you'll see a message saying the TPM is ready for use, along with details like the TPM manufacturer and the version, for example, 2.0. If TPM isn't present or hasn't been enabled in the BIOS, you'll instead see the message, compatible TPM cannot be found. You can also check through Device Manager. Expand the section called Security Devices. If you see Trusted Platform Module 2.0, that means you're good to go. Finally, you can also use the Windows Security app. Open it, then go to Device Security. Under Security Processor, if you see information about TPM, that means it's present and active. If you don't see anything there, it might be disabled in the BIOS or not available at all. And that's it. Now you know how to check if your PC supports TPM and whether it's enabled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.